Hello there. This is Rajmeesa. Well, the three expectations which I have from the workshop, I started doing video marketing as a business. In fact, I never know that my business is smart or not. I truly appreciate the kind of help which I got from Team Neo. In fact, I did achieve a free strategy session with YK. In fact, I did meet him as well. I never know how to measure myself through the scientific tools. I need to know what is my business success quotient. I had been through the questionnaire, the BP10 strengths profile. So my number one expectation is from the workshop is to achieve 10x of whatever the investment which I have made. I've never done that in the last 10 years or in the last one decade. I spent close to 1 million in all my learnings with respect to knowledge sharing. And I also would love to become an affiliate for whatever the new products which are there, the new school products. So waiting for that as well. The kind of solutions which are going to be available or the workshops, waiting for an affiliate link. Uh, Share the learnings with the kind of commitment and dedication with others. And I would love to continue the journey for over a decade, for another decade, I mean. So achieve 10x of whatever the investment which I have made, become an affiliate of the products, whatever the products which are available, ensure that commitment and dedication in achieving the results for another decade consistently. Thank you so much, Team 10x Neo Strategy or the Team Neo School and YK. Signing off, Rajmeesa. Take care. Bye bye.